Okay, so good evening, everyone. This is our third session in our Revit combo course. We already have Sister Fem online. Welcome, Sister Fem. As I told earlier, today we will be creating a five-story building with a basement. So that means it's a six-story building. Okay, basement plus ground plus 4 floors. And it will be a simple office building, but we'll put some toilets. Of course, there'll be a staircase and there will be an elevator, and we'll have a ramp. So you learn how to create a ramp. And as I said, it's a basement level, so we will be cutting the soil. So the workflow will be the same. We'll be creating grids first. So just follow with me. You already know how to do it. So if you get stuck somewhere, I'm always here to help you. Okay. So I'll be sharing my screen now. My Revit screen. Okay. Here. Yeah, we are recording. So we'll start from scratch. Again, we go to our new, click new. And from here, we'll click browse. And we go to our template. Make sure we go to the English template. Okay, templates, English. And we'll take the default metric template. Okay, don't use other templates so that we will all be the same. Default metric. Make sure it's default metric. Okay, and then we click open. Okay. Click open, right? And then make sure that you create a new project. Do make sure it is not a template. Okay, it will be a big mess if you create a project template. Okay, click OK. Sa default ba sa default metric. Wala kang default metric. Meron yan, meron. Commercial default, construction default, default. English ba yan? English folder? English. Oh, Imperial yata yan. Imperial. Oh, angat ka, angat ka. English lang. Meron yan, meron. So, templates? I have generic only, sir. No English. Generic? Generic. There is one folder. Then Imperial metrics. Those are applied. What are those? You don't have the English? No, I have coming generic. So I can use this. Check. Project. US method, no? Default method. That's what meaning default method. Okay. Bibili nga ako ng nakita ko. Dalawang station ang mo. Sabi ko rin.
Casing of the turns, extension, is like yung mga 1.5 mo. Kaya, ang price mo. Ang price mo. Pero put your browser and go see because you're gonna see the nakasabit siya dito. Ang sasabi ko dito, mag-SH or because kung ang ito talaga po, sasabi ko na. Hindi, kapag humihitap ko yung mga ito. Balikan mo, ano din ako. Maganda yung maintenance sir. Kaya nga. Baka bibili ka kasi nag-iipon pa. Mahal naman. Nag-iipon. Eh, sinasalpak lang. Ano ba HDMI o HDMI? HDMI dyan. Type-C or HDMI or USB. HDMI talaga. Pero mura rin. Kaya nga, isa pong laptop niya. Hindi, may pinakamura. Hindi, ito naman may pa 1.5 eh. Kasi like kasi maganda dyan eh. Hindi, tsaka hindi ka nabibili ng parang yun ay mas mabilis kasi kung may meron ka extra monitor. Marami na silang okay. Hindi kaya puno na yung computer mo. Kaya natin yung lagi sa akin, may computer. Basta ko, may computer lang. Gamer. Mahal ko ang mga baka kung di, may mura. Hindi tayo magdadala. Nakapag-trading ka. MB na lang eh. Kailangan mo dito. Wala na, isang GP. Wala na. Kaso hindi sumunod. Wala ka pang pwede ko rin. Kaya kailangan ko rin ito dito. Ano gusto niyo? Yung mga isip. Sa installation pa rin, kailangan din niya na meron siyang space para sa Lisensya ng driving.
Okay, let's go, guys. So what can we finish in 2 hours? 5-story building. Okay. So let's go back to our basics. Make sure that your properties is here and your project browser is on the other side so that we can see everything. Okay. Just for your information, by default, we call this in architecture terms as elevation targets. So these are like the view that looks on the building, on the drawing area. So whatever we build here can be seen from the bottom. We call this as the south elevation. Everything can be seen. So it's like that view. In terms of a box, that will be like the front view, and this will be the back view, this will be the side views, okay? In terms of elevation, as we call it, the south elevation is looking down, looking up from here, from the south. North elevation is looking down from the north, and east and west as it is, okay? So we'll be doing our drawing here in the middle. And as we did last time, we will be doing our grid. But before we do our grid, since we will be doing a 6-story building, basement plus ground plus 4 stories, we need to adjust and create our level. So let's go down to our south elevation. Click your south elevation. Double click the word south. Okay, and you will see this. Just make sure everyone have the 4-meter floor to floor height. Okay, everyone have the same. Okay, now let's create. We will just copy. Okay, make it easy for us. Select one, select level 2, and then click the copy tool. And then from here, we'll be doing this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, okay. Then one more, this time going down. Copy this, going downwards. It is 4 meters by default. Okay. So we'll... Huh? 4 meters because we are just copying and basing our base. It's like AutoCAD. What we do? I will undo. Okay. Follow through, guys. Follow. Okay. I will copy one. I'll click one. Okay. Click. And then click the copy. And then you will put your base here. Okay. So that means when you click on the next line, that is already 4 meters. And then just keep clicking until we reach level 6. Okay. And then I will copy another one. This time going down, I will use level 2 as my reference and bring it down there. Now I will rename level 7 as my basement. Okay, that will be named basement. And then level 6 will be roof level. Okay. So we have level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, roof, and then basement at the bottom. Hmm? Yung sa'yo, nung last time, nagka-doble-doble yung level mo.
Ito lang yung Yan. Dalawang basement. Ano number 7, sir? Sir, anong name ng number 7 mo? Yung
roof ito.
number 7 ba? Number 6? Number 7?
Yeah, that's it.
7. Number 6? Level 5. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Hindi, ito. Ano na level? Tunay mo. Hanggang 6 ka lang doon. Alisin mo.
Yung 6 set pa?
Oo, delete mo yan. Delete mo yun.
Yung 6 yung dito.
Kung kinin mo ito, ibaba mo ito. Ito. Tapos
Yung copy, photo up to 6 level.
Ali yan, ali.
To 6 level. Then come back, minus down, 1 level. So you copy that coming down. So if you are so then you double
Yan.
the level.
Reference mo yan.
You can edit the range. So you can
Di ba natin
edit
palitin
that
ng level sa ground? Di ba natin nilagay ground?
Zero, pwede. You can rename it. Level 1 will be ground. But that's okay. We'll just keep it at level 1. You can rename it later on. So level 1, so we will be uniform. Okay? Because not everyone is used to the terms.
negative 4,000.
Yeah, that's good. So everyone should have this basement minus 4,000. Level 1 is at 0. Then level 2, 4,000, and so forth and so on. Okay?
Around 20,000.
Yeah. So the roof is 20,000. So let's do this together. We must have here we want to complete all the floor plans here. So who remembers what to do? You go to view tab, right?
Yes. And then select plan view,
Lawn plan.
floor plan, then
Select all these guys. Help your guy in front. Okay. If he miss it, check it.
view. Plan view. This one. Go to view, and select here plan view. Floor plan. Select all. Yes, select all. Okay. So it is appearing.
Good. All right. So now we have all this, right? So we will have now from basement up to roof. Okay.
View. Tapos itong araw ng
I will now close the roof level. I will just stick to level 1. Okay. Okay na sa'yo. Okay na, no? Ito si Sir, magaling na to eh. Hindi na kagad titignan eh. Sabi ka nga dito kay Sir. Magaling to eh. Hindi, pagtatabihin ko kayo parang
Okay.
Dito ka mo po, sir. Para ano? Hindi, wala na tayong patatagin lecture niyan. O, naman si Ate Pem. Online, no?
This one here, one.
Ito lang.
Nag-aaral talaga eh. Nag-program. Yung nasa retro.
Ano yan? Nakain ko
So, kaya pala.
I'll give you a medal after the... Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, let's help each other.
Nawala yung mic ko niya.
Ano?
Yes,
Oh, this is for everyone's information. I did this for Jomel also. Okay. So sometimes what happens to your toolbars, it get lost because there's a small dot thing here. Okay. If you click that, don't keep clicking. Okay, just one by one. Click. Okay, so your tools changes. So it decompresses and it goes in a cycle. Okay, so just click that so that everyone will be back. Okay. So what's next, Akbar?
Next, we have to go the level one.
Okay.
Otherwise, we have to fix interesting and plan.
No need for ceiling plan for now.
So first we have to go
Level 1,
Yeah.
right? And then we create the what?
create the wall.
The grid.
First we arrange the grid.
Grid. Okay, let's do the grid. So since we are doing like 6-story building, so let's use the grid of 4 meters. Okay, 4-meter grid from column to column. So maybe we can have 4 grids. So we'll have a building of 16 meter by 20 meter. Okay, 20 meter deep. Okay, I will sketch it here.
4 by 5.
Yeah, 4 by 5 grids. So if you are fast, you can do this faster than me. So this will be our grid. This is 4 meters each, 4,000 millimeters. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so that means the total of this is 23,000. And then horizontally we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, we need only yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the grid here will have to be A, B, C, D, E, up to F. Okay, 2,000, 4,000 each. Okay. So now let's do it. So let's start with the grid. Again, level 1. Make sure you are in level 1. Let's now go to Architecture tab. Click the grid. So just click somewhere here and go down. Okay, now this is a shortcut to do copy. Okay, click copy. Okay, then select the grid, the one grid. Click copy. Then click on this end. Then drag your mouse towards the right. Okay, don't click anything. Now what you do is you type 4,000, enter, 4,000, enter, 4,000, enter, 4,000, enter, and one more, 4,000, enter. Yeah, okay. So we can just move this to the center a little bit. Okay. I think we went too much. Five grids is enough, sorry. Okay, I will delete the last one. 5 grids only, 5 grids. 1 to 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then let's draw another one. Again, architecture. Click the grid. We will get one from the top. So before we copy, let's rename this and make this letter A. Okay. Now this time we'll click it and then copy. Click on the end of the grid. Bring your mouse down. Okay, don't touch anything. Don't click any mouse. Just type 4,000, enter, 4,000, enter, 4,000, enter, 4,000, enter, and one more. 4,000, enter. Okay, so automatically that is now up to letter F. So you should have something like this now.
Up to F, we need.
F and 1 to 5, and then A to F. All right?
1 to 5.
A to F. Okay, so once you have this exact the same, select all the grid using your window selection, just like that. And then let's push pin it. Pin it so it will not move. Okay? Keep it like that.
Layer lock system. Layer lock system.
No, it is locking the element.
It's same in our layer lock.
It's different.
We cannot delete that.
Yeah, there is a similarity to that. You cannot move, you cannot link. But now here we don't have any more layers. Okay? Ito, yung push pin. Pag sinelect mo yan, nandito. Push pin nandun. Okay? John, can you follow? Okay. If you have any question, you can ask Akbar. He's ready to help. Okay, so now are we ready to create the walls? Not yet. So baka dumobli na naman yan sa'yo. Laging dumadobli yan. Okay na ba yung mouse mo? Okay yung dati. Ba't ka nag-order eh? Di ba ako mag-play, di ba? Ano double na ko na Mato. Ay, naku. Diretso lang. Yan, ang buhay ng 4,000 and 4,000. Kung gano'n yung mga yes, yan, skip ka na. Di ba pa ito? Bakit hindi mo lang nalagay ito? Di ba lang sila umalay? So, guess natin dalawa yun. Bilhin mo siya na bilhin. Lalo sa bilhin mo yan. Yun? Paano yun? Zooming out. Sila ko lang isa. Tapos? Ilalak sila. Lakas sila kung mag-disintegrate. Sige mo lang. Dito sa line. Yes. Balance all yeah. With this lock, you will be kung gusto mo lang bumalik, hindi mo sa hospital sa bawat palabas. Lalabas ko ano yung mga lalabas ko ano. Tama mo sa isang panel mo. Siguro, alis natin mo natin. Tap mo na kayo. Ipin mo na. Select mo na. Windows 8. File nito, project mo. Save ko muna. Lagyan mo na lang. Building. Batch 20. What's our batch? Batch 9? Don't forget to save. Let's save our projects first. File. Save. And put it in your folder. I'll put it on my documents. In focus, I will name this Saturday building. Okay, and click the options. There is options before you save it. Click options and change this to 2. Okay? Ito yung nagpapaano ng backup. Name it Saturday building. And then click OK. And then save. Okay? I just name it Saturday building. Sabado nights. Diba? Percent nakakuha. There's a problem on your height. By default, there's no sleep. Go back to your.
Ito pala kasi yung pagila naman. Take ko lang siya. Ito na, ang pinili. Pinili naman.
Very nice.
Yung pin na may X sa taas. Game mo lang sila lalaki.
This level.
Game ko siya. Game ko lang kung
So this better you select all times the filter.
Okay, so everyone will do the walls now, so nobody will make a mistake. Better just follow Akbar, so the design will be similar. But just follow, so you will have similar design. Okay, just delete your walls. So we'll create the walls now. Exterior walls first. We are in level 1. Okay, so we click wall. Oh, pay attention, guys. Architectural. Okay, and look at your properties toolbar. Okay, so by default, what happens is Revit is giving you a base constraint where you're doing your floor plan, which is level 1. And then it is giving you a top constraint of unconnected, and your unconnected height is 8 meters. So if you follow this, you will be wrong. Okay, so we need to set first the limits of our wall. So what we do in our wall is floor to floor height only. Okay, so every floor would be from level 1 up to level 2. The base constraint is level 1. The top constraint, which is very important, is level 2. Okay? So automatically the height is just 4 meters. We will not put any base offset. We will not put any top offset. That should be fine now. Now you can click and create our building. What we'll be doing is the back side will just go a straight wall. Okay? And then let's bring down 2 grids up to here. Then let's go inside a little bit by 1 meter. Then go down again. Okay. And then go to the left again, another meter. And then go straight. Okay. And then go down again another meter. And then go down. And then let's go up to what's this? Grid number 2. Okay, up to grid number 2. And then from grid number 2, we'll move 45 degrees up to there, up to grid F. Okay. And then from there, we'll move up to here. Okay, one more here. Then let's go to the right 1 meter. Oh, sorry. It'll just be 1 meter to the right. Okay. 1 meter to the right. Okay. And then let's go up. Then let's go back to the left. And then let us just close the building right there. Okay. Is it similar now? Yes. Okay. So we'll keep our building simple. We will replace these walls, select these walls, the slanted walls, and then press your control key, and then select this wall, and this wall, and that wall, and also this wall. Okay? Highlighted, make sure you highlighted all those walls. Click control so you can select multiple walls. Ako ano lang ang naka-blue dyan? Okay, so once you have that, we go here to the properties, click this, and we'll go to storefront. Click the storefront at the very bottom. Did you find the storefront?
Yes, sir.
Okay, click storefront. Okay, so if you look now at your 3D view, you already have something like this. Okay, so you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glass walls like this. Okay, you have something like this now. Huwag ka do not undo so much. Copy-paste na lang natin to. Okay, sir. Basta wala na naman yung properties.
May napitin shortcut.
Andiyan lang lahat yan. So, siya lang ang dashboard mo. Yan lang. Drawing mo na lang ulit. Wall ulit. Hindi, okay lang yan. Wala problema yan. Click mo din. So, yan. Dalawa. Kanan. Kahit isa po sa mga okay lang yan. Wala architecture. No, start. Oh, maganda sir. Keep mo na sir. Yan. Tapos i-select mo yung mga dali sir ha. Pag ganyan, naka-active po. Tapos select mo yung mga meeting ginawa ko dito. Yan, palitan mo doon. Palitan. Hindi, yan sa baba. Yan. Ito na.
Yan. Yan, sir. Meron kami.
Yan.
Parang yan.
Tapos punta ka sa 3D view mo. Yung bahay. Kita na siya. Ang araw-araw.
Okay? So let's go back to let's go back to our plan view.
We will finish by 12 o'clock. Nasa taas.
Ano nangyari?
Delete ko na.
Delete na lang natin yan. Ganito lang yan. Pagka medyo ganyan ang naman.
Galing mo na.
You got it now. But you're building double. You did not change the properties. Okay, understood. Okay. Okay, so let's add a few more windows. Okay, let's add a few more windows and some doors before we make our floors. Okay, so let's first go to our click the door, level 1 floor plan. Go back to level 1 floor plan. Just go to your tabs. You don't need to click here again. Just go to your tabs, level 1. Okay, and we click the door. Now we only have this kind of door. It's not right. So we will load more doors. As long as you're now here in the doors, click load family. Now we go to our library again. Make sure we are in English. Then we go to US. And then let's go to doors. There is the doors. Doors. Then we use the commercial. Okay, go to commercial. Then we'll click the exterior double with 2 light. Okay, this one. This is a nice one. Then click open. Then let's choose. It will let you choose how many sizes you want. So we'll just choose the third one. Yeah, the third one. No, the first second one. Wait, I will repeat it again, okay? Oh, watch it, guys. Click door, make sure you click the door under architecture tab, then load family. It will bring you to libraries and go to English, okay? English and then US. And then doors. Under doors, we go to commercial. So let's take the second one, exterior double 2 light, okay? The one with the glass. Okay, and then click open. After you click open, it will let you choose what size do you need. So let's use the third one. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, then we do it again. Load family again. Same way, it will bring you back to the same folder, but this time let us take the single one with 2 light. This is the fourth one. Then click open, and then let's choose the second one, 900 by 2100.
Which door, sir? The second one.
Yung single 2 light. And then click OK.
Single lang, single. Single. Single to light.
Yeah. Okay now. So now let's this time let's put some doors. We'll put now our main door under architecture again.
Open.
Watch it closely. Watch closely, and then remember, so you don't miss it. Ready? Let's put your door. Choose from the doors. Let's take the big one, exterior double 2 light, and then let's put it here. Put it here. Okay. Then let's have another on the other side. Okay. All good now? Meron na? Okay, so let's create our floor, guys. Okay. You have the same now? Okay, so let's do the floor. Floor is easy. Go to our floor. Floor architectural, and then let's choose let's choose the generic 150 on. That's enough for us. Generic 150. This time, make sure that this is on. Okay, by default, that is on the pick walls tool. So what you'll do is you just click each wall. Okay, including these small walls, huh?
How do we know the answer? We will click.
Just click the walls. When there's an error, just say unjoin elements. Can you follow?
Floor, generic, huh?
Generic 150.
Floor architecture.
Generic 150. Okay.
No, floor architecture.
Architecture, floor,
Floor.
then generic 150. Okay. This is a tip. Okay, once you see something like this in your model, when you're drawing, that means there seems to be a problem on those edges. So don't click anything yet. So let's just see what is the problem. I will click check. So see, there will be a command. There will be a note or warning that will come out. It will say lines cannot intersect each other for some reason. So what you will do not quit sketching. Okay, just click continue. Then you zoom into that wall. What is the reason there? Seems okay there. How about here? It looks okay. See, there is a problem here. So what you will do is, we will use this tool, the trim extend to corner. Click this line and that line, so that will be closed already. And click this and this. So it seems it's okay now. Click check. There's still a problem. So it will highlight this problem. If you want, you can click show. Okay. It is actually the orange line. So there's a problem here because the line is exceeding that. It should be a clean line. So we'll just keep drawing, click continue, and then you are still in this command, trim extend to corner. Click that and click that, so it is clean now. And now let's inspect all the corners. So check all the corners. So this corner is not good. Click that and click. So it's clean. Check this corner. This is okay. The other corner, see, there's a problem here. It's not connected. So we just click and click that. That's okay. And then here also, there's a problem. And this is okay. Or not really. Click that and that. So it's now connected. Everything is there. So if you want to really check, click this on so that we can see a thicker line. So the lines are thicker. We can see it now. This is okay. So seems like we're okay now. So we will check, click check. So I've created now my floor.
Paano mag-add sir? Wala yung live. Isipin din pati sir yung mga
Kung may sumobra, kung may kulang, yan. Ayan.
door. Ito yung pink niya. Tapos dito wala.
Pwede yun, sir. Yan.
Kasi hindi na parang
Oh, yun. Hindi na yung sinaglaro. Ito yung pang-inis. Ito yung extent ko naman.
Kaya ako yun.
Hindi natin yun. Ayan, parang pinipid naman. Talaga din.
Kaya kapunta na naman.
Sige ba, linisin mo muna sir, mamaya.
Ito si pag-guide
I-release mo na mga. Pagdaan na, pwede yung natin na dyan. Ito, i-release pa kayo. Yung mga correction ba yan, kasi yung slabage, siguro na. Okay lang yan, dahil pinapakabili lang yan. Okay naman na yan. Kaya na natin na-adjust yung slabage. I-upload na ko. Ayun, yun na lang.
Hindi ka alit eh.
Sila yung problema niya.
Pero dali mo yun.
Sir, di ko mas kanina nagkakaroon yung ball. Parang kasi sila, stage pa lang.
Mamaya na yan. Linisin mo na. Na-create na yung floor, ayusin na lang natin yung mga natin. Nang lahat ng kanto yun. Ano lang yun?
Pula ako ng ano sa
Pula ko sa kasi.
Ano ba sa rin
May mga butas lang yan, sir. Kagaya nito. Mas pag may sumobrang linya, pag may kulang na linya, yun yung malalim.
diba? Panatol sa natulog naman.
Ito, okay naman. Mga kantuhan lang.
Yeah.
Di ba, malinis lang.
Stay ko lang.
Yan, okay lang yan. Grabe na magtuturo na ito. Hindi maglinis eh. Tignan mo, sir. Kapalin mo nga yung linya mo. Ah. Kaya, magulang ka ng linya. At pang ganyan itong pag-gawa mo eh. Kapag ganito, solution namin. Wala.
Ano man dyan, alay.
Mga kanto. Okay na yun.
Ito mga rin.
Yun. Ayun. So now everybody have a floor. Because we're already tired. Okay? So we have the floor, we have the door, and we have the walls. Let's make this fast now. Select everything. Like that. Don't select the grids. Okay? Make sure that you select only the walls, the doors, and the floor. To check that, click the filter. Okay? If there is something that comes there as grid, uncheck it. Okay? If there's no grid, then that's fine.
Okay.
Oh, good. Oh. So we will select like this. Okay? Look at my selection. Watch it closely. I will start here. Okay? Click and I will end up here. Okay? So I will not touch any of the grids. Okay? So I'm good. I will now copy to clipboard and then I will paste align to selected levels. I will select level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. I accept level 1. I don't need to level 1. I need to select basement, level 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and click OK. Remember, and select the levels. Copy to clipboard and then paste align to selected levels, and then this will come out.
Paste from clipboard, sir.
Okay, align. Huh? Yeah, isa-isahin lang and press control so you can include it. And then click OK.
Yung level 1 natin po, sir.
So now this is now my building. Okay?
Copy to clipboard, then
Okay?
level 5.
But I don't want to do like this. Wait, guys. I will undo. Okay? Let's go back. Let's go back to the selection. Go to level 1. I will select again. Okay? Now we will create a group. What you call a group? A group is similar to other commands in other softwares. Click this group. Create group. Okay, I will name this typical floor. Okay, and click OK. Yeah, so now this makes selection easy for us. So even if we're in 3D, we just need to click. anywhere, everything will be selected. Okay? And then later on, when we add any other elements, if we add any floor, it will be copied everywhere. Sinelect ko.
Dynamic chemical flows.
Nagawa mo na, Rafi? Ayun na.
Nasa likod ng check mo sila. Next part.
Did you have?
Big po. Big kasi. Kasi malala.
Hindi po siya.
Ayaw yung sa kanya, sir. So I'm checking the open. What is this? Typical. Start.
Hindi ako Fernando. Galing mo na lahat ng kanina. Hindi, kasi inulit ko siya. Tinanggal yung bus.
Ano pa rin ngayon?
Basement. Ay, yan, sa tubo. Dito po ipit nyo.
All these lines.
Elevation na select mo sa tapos tanggalin mo na yung delete ko man.
Download mo. Yeah, dahil. Pero ba't di ba yun tayo? Kasi yung group. Ganito kami.
Hindi ka, yung automatic to. Di ba? I-save yung pag-
Nandun mo na lang. Kasi ang essence, the essence of the group is for example, initially we will copy this into the other floors. Okay? And then we will add partitions on one floor. So automatically, the rest of the floors will also be edited. All the elements that we add will be added. So look, I will just select this and then copy to clipboard and then paste align to selected levels. We'll select level 2. Let's include basement 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and I'll click OK. So it will all now go accordingly. Okay. Yeah.
Up to 5, sir?
Yes.
Except roof.
Except roof. Do not put level 1 because it will double.
That's space.
Align to, sir.
Isang
But I don't know, the captain one is not coming to copy. Something is. Captain one. I cannot able to see here. Only first floor, only rest floor not coming.
Segment 2,
They probably were. I copy. I don't know why you like this.
Sige naman.
Mas kailangan ng wires.
Mas natsura din ko ah. Dito lang pala din ako. Phase 2, phase 2. Align to yes.
Is it that copy?
Ito sir, oh.
Yung
Yung phase.
phase,
Ano sabi?
Yung phase. One of the
line of selected level.
Ano mo? Tapos,
Sige na lang. Wala ko lang.
okay mo
Basement nasa 6.
Oh, okay.
Which
Mas
means
magalit mo lahat except 1 and 2. Yan.
Okay, pa.
walang grupo.
Walang roof.
Ay,
di ba?
Walang isa.
Ano daw?
Walang isa sa
Please. Times 11. Siguro is
Yan yung pinili natin dalawa kanino. Pati bis. Sir, may wala din sa akin sa ano, ibig sabihin sa itong mami, pakita mo sa kanya. Sa nakalagay, high times. Hindi, sa electrical installation. Sa kanila, ano lang. Wala, bakit tayo na. Hindi tayo mo siya.
Yung basement wala. Dapat may basement ba?
Negative ba? Pero kung kita mo diyan, wala kasi kita oh, yun no.
Walang
Wala kasi
parang may basement.
papasok kasi yung
tingnan mo yung
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
basement, wala naman doon.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Parking
Okay. So let's use the advantage of having a group. So we have a group. What we'll do is we will be drawing now on level 1. We have level 1, right? But you know that this is a group, right? So what you'll do, you select the group like this, and then we click edit group. Okay, edit group. Okay, so when you're in the edit group mode, it will become yellow. The background will become yellow. Now this time we'll add some walls. Okay, so how to do it? We'll just click wall, architectural, and then let's choose the interior wall. Let's say interior block work 100. Okay, so let's add some walls here. So from here, from grid 2 above, go here down and then up to here and up to there. Okay, and then from here 1 meter from here, then another wall there, then another wall right there. Okay, so this will serve like the toilet or something. You do it, that's okay now. And click check, finish. So if you go back to 3D, every floor now have that thing. Okay, so if we open our section box, click your section box and click that and push it a little bit to this side, you can now see that you have your floors. You have those walls already inside. Okay, just move it like this. Okay, you have those walls right there. Okay.
section box.
Sige lang sir, i-ano mo lang, i-okay mo lang.
Okay. Palagi lang mag-save. Punta ko sa section box.
Yeah. So now it's okay. We can just remove again our section box. Just check the section box. Okay, now let's go to our level 1 plan. Okay, level 1 floor plan. Okay. The level 1 floor plan, we will ungroup it already because it will not be typical to the rest of the floors. Okay. So select the level 1 and then ungroup it. Okay, we will ungroup it. Now this is not a group anymore. Okay. So, but we will need to go to level 2. This is still a group. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll select again level 2 and edit the group. Okay. Now we will create our balcony floor. Select the floor. This is the floor. Edit boundary. Then we'll draw a line from here to here. Let's say about 1.2 meter there. And then let's slant it a little bit like this. Okay. Maybe something like this. Okay. Doesn't have to be exactly similar, but something like this is fine. And then click this line. Okay, up to there. Okay, you can move it a little bit farther if you want. Something like this. This will be our balcony. Okay, and then we will trim this line. Use the trim command here to here. Okay, that should have that shape now, and you click check. Don't attach. Okay, and this will now look like this. So you'll have your boundary thing and click finish. So you will have your wait lang ha. Level 2, yeah. Why is it, ba't hindi sumama yung isang floor?
Yan yung level 1. Yung level 2 na yun. Punta sa level 2. Double click.
I did not agree. Yeah, that's correct actually, because the basement is a separate one. Okay. So select the basement when you're in 3D view. This is the basement. We will also ungroup it. Okay. And then remove that door because that's the basement. Okay.
Pwede pa balik na sa level 2 siya. Ipaglagay ng balcony.
Sige. Okay. I will undo. Okay. No problem. We will undo.
Sa level 2.
I will undo. Okay. So this is level 1. I will ungroup level 1. Okay, this is level 1 because the bottom one is the basement. I will ungroup. Okay, and then I will go to level 2 floor plan. I will select the entire group and I will edit group. Okay, this time I will select the floor. This is the floor. Edit the boundary. Now I will draw a line to become the balcony, something like that. Okay, and click it right there. You move it to the corner and then trim like that. Okay, then click check. Don't attach and then finish. Then look at the 3D. It will look like this. Then the bottom one, which is the basement, we ungroup it also. Remove the door.
Pero sa akin yung check ko. Lalaki natin per second. Hindi magkita yung init mo dito sa 45 volts. Sobrang laki sir. Sobrang.
O yung linya kasi di ba di ba dapat yung hindi lang sir, hindi lang yung nag-intercept. So, yun sa natin. Dapat po siya kung polyline. Dapat po siyang polyline. Delete mo. Sarado mo. Ito yung ginawa mo, ground floor yun. Ito yung dapat na Look na yung answer. Design. Gusto mo lang ginawa let's just fix the basement and then I will let you do your design for your exterior, okay? But maybe you want to take coffee first? 10-minute break? Okay, let's take a break, okay? Before we continue. Maybe you're just tired, no? We'll come back after 10 minutes, okay? Make sure you save your work because something might happen. Save it. Yeah. Now I will talk to Atifem. Okay, where is Atifem? Where is she? Atifem, okay na ba yung ano mo? Yung building mo?
May mga buildings ng Soraw.
3 BHK. Office building lang, matahirap pagka pagka residential, maraming wall eh.
Pero
Naman yung office building.
sa yung ano sir, hindi lang.
Kita ba? Hello, Paul.
Next week we want to
Is the only thing that
be master.
yeah, the Bible. It's the Bible. You need to find this, you want this, group,
The master ng design. The master of design. Is the design.
Then
Okay, focus. Grabe mga tayo. Yun, no? Matutupad na yung mga pinakita mo 20 minutes.
no, this will be in the Google. They will share it in Google. You will have a good and watch.
Hindi problema sa mga tao. Pagtanggal na ako ng ano, restaurant yun.
Oh? Nilipat ko na tapos kanina nag-10 GB na to eh. Di ba? Kaya naman tayo sa mga kumaragal. Nandito lang sa mga nagagal. Yung iba, ang gagawin niya, re-reformat yan. Tapos, kung ayaw mo na ng ibang, hindi mo na nakakapalos. Kaya, nakas pa naman yung iba. Hindi pa magsabuhin kapag sa kayo. Revit kasi is for building information model. Kasama na nagagawa ay detection, structure, tapos hindi lang 3D, presentation, walkthrough, flash detection, update, ang pag-usang ako. Face off na yan. Hindi na, nandiyan pa. Kaya lang, kapag ka nakarevit ka na, hindi siya gawin. Hindi na tawag na natin, modify namin. Naka-3D yung shot drawing.
It is normally in when we need to create say like a 2D software. That is detailing, wall detailing,
We will do that.
sets and detailing or elevation. That's main constructors with the markable for
2D drawings is very fast and easy. But we need to build our model first. Once you build your model, you just have to select views that you want to. And the tags. Dito. Ano naman yun? Combo yun eh. Combo. Yun para sa hindi ko marunong ng magano. Pero ano ba ang trabaho mo? Aside from that.
we can class duration only to use here or they are using the knowledge work. That's for exactly what we have to our big model is to put out the knowledge.
That's the reason we will, from this model, we will create a structural model.
Okay.
And we will create also the mechanical model, plumbing model, and electrical. Then we'll put it together.
That is using only the weight and the mechanics.
But there is a class that
Why there what's the purpose there?
is you can bring other files. Let's say you can bring civil 3D. It can bring 3D maps. You can bring SketchUp. All the types of files in the world. You can bring it together. But Revit internally, because these are all Revit files, we have the classification.
But this software only supports Revit model, right? No, any other word?
No.
Talking about.
Yeah.
You told me Navis, we can support all, you can together to compare the quality, right? But in the Revit only can support other Revit.
Yeah, maybe.
No,
You don't want that. You can do that.
So if we want the simple class direction, we can convert here.
We will.
But advanced only we can use navigation.
Yeah, that is different. And the difference is, if it's a mega project already, Bravo, Saudi, the line or Neo, it's a mega project. You need the file will be super heavy to do it in the. So for one building or two buildings, the bit is okay. But when it's a big complex, Bravo. 400
So
meters.
that is convenient for the navigation.
Yes, because the files in Navis are very big. If it is 100 MB Revit, in Navis it is 5.
That is control.
Performance file, but you cannot edit in Navis forms.
That's just loading some.
This is just putting things together, taking, going inside.
Any editable one is better.
So they use only to say, okay, you have a problem there. Make a report, and then the Revit guy will fix it. We will adjust. We will move that.
So this for the same look like a reviewer, that's review. Only reviewer purpose they are marking.
Yes. Because it's very fast. That's why. And it's file is like. Enjoy this. Right?
Dito lang, yung ano, scroll niya, hindi mo yung scroll. Hindi. Ano pa kaya mo yan? Gagawin lang kahit sa ako. Scroll. Hindi mo yung scroll.
Mabilis, madulas. Gaming eh.
Pala siya. Shift, that's yung mouse dito. That's mouse dito. Hindi yung scroll. Email. Yan. Na-group-nets kaya okay na yan.
Ano naman kasi ko lang?
Kasama pala yan ang tapos yun. Punta ka sa basement. Between lang. Tapos yan, is modify errors mo. Edit ko lang. Delete mo siya. Tuloy ko lang. Tapos i-ring mo. Tuloy mo rin. Kung hindi ito, wala kang linya.
So, for that,
Hindi ka ba? Yan. Ito na lang. Pin mo na lang yan. Yan. Just delete mo yan. Yan. Delete mo. Click mo. Yan. Check mo. Yan. May hindi nakakaroon yung first mo gano'n din. I-edit mo rin siya yun. Hindi, naka-unlock na yun. Hindi ko lang nakakaroon na siya. Hindi naman Hindi naman ako. Hindi ko. Okay, okay na. Nakalang linya, yan ang check ang linya. Oo nga, pero check mo. Yan pa. Pero yan mo nga. Yan mo. Ikaso. Mag-lipat mo muna yung tapos balik mo na lang level. Saka na level ba? Balik ka na level. Yan, edit mo. Yan. May nawala.
dati dati,
Edit mo na lang.
Sige, automatic shape ba ito? Hindi na...
Sige.
Hindi ako mamili naman. Yeah. So, alam ko.
Message alam. Saan naman pinagawa yung... Ano lang? Saan pinagawa yung... Saan yan?
Ani ombar
Hindi na pala yun.
சொல்றேன் மணி ஒன்பது மேல ஆகும் வீட்டுக்கு போய் சமைச்சு டைம் ஆகும் போய் பதில் சொன்னேன்
Jadi si pemini nih, siya ngayon, bago sa kalipat siya. Pero hindi pa rin ako ganda. Ano matagal na walang trabaho pala na 5 years na. Nang sino? Si yung boss Mariano. Si Ross? 5 years na raw yun. Hindi yan, ay ano siya eh. Dating kay sila nila Mario yun. Mario. Sila exempted. Dati exempted yan.
Well, working under the consultant. Consultant. It's consultant. It's consultant. Package. You. That's the consultant. I'm consultant. No one is that. You review the designing now. You see the design. The architect. Or the architect.
With the construction supervision. That is the design.
Because they are all international consultants, they must be design consultant, they are no this software.
Yeah.
Without this knowledge, they are ignored. They don't taking the hiring the position.
What I have to on is to have the B basis that particularly the design we need to. You're working there?
I am working China Rail.
China?
No, China Rail is my last company.
China Rail.
Yeah, but so I left that company.
So
I am working now just temporary, but looking other permanent job also, but market very bad.
which company
Now temporary the Redco International. Redco.
Redco? My friend were there. Let's check because salary is great.
No, that is Redco Almana.
Yeah.
That is Redco Almana. But I am working Redco International.
Right.
Redco International also is company. There are also some big problem. But I am just joined in the temporary. I am not the permanent employee. They are taking for some heavy work. So they are taking temporary. Just of course we cannot.
What do you do? What do you do there?
I mean, yeah, right now you working for a structural architecture workshop. There also something going, but I will try the permanent job, but I cannot able to find it. That is very bad situation. Market is not good. No. Even if you send the CV, no, not get any response.
No response.
That condition. That market now. Because the last 1.5 year, based on the when they are stopping all work.
Masyadong kaka-interest. Kailangan dito, naiiwan ako sa ano eh. Hanap ng...
Dapat may mouse mo.
Ha?
May mouse mo.
Yung sa mga... Kumano.
Oh, let's proceed. What?
Yes.
Because Ate Fem is waiting for us. Don't know what she did already.
Ay, pag nagtatanong din siya, sir.
Ha?
Si-
Ay, sa may message eh.
Yan yan.
Oh, pero sa ngayon wala. Siguro okay na.
Ay,
So, okay, let's wait for everyone. Mukhang di natin matatapos to.
Wala sa tayo dito.
Di ba? Kasi pag maglalagay na tayo ng stair, pinakahuli na yan eh. Tatapusin muna natin yung ano eh. Itong, at least yung, may pwesto na yung stair, pwede na doon sa kanan o kaliwa. No? Tapos, elevator doon sa kanan, pwede na.
Ito, wala pa tayong roof dito eh.
Oo.
Kulang pa na roof.
Kasi hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung floor as a roof dahil iba yung properties niya, sir. Although pwede kung pagawa ka lang ng rendering, pero pagka yung sa model itself, mas mabuting ano.
Mapupunta siya.
isa rito yung ano natin, basement. Pero tayo na rin na ng windows.
Yeah, we will convert. What the next step for us is first remove the door at the basement. Number one is ungroup it first. Once we ungroup it, then all of these walls will convert them into the big walls, structural wall. 300. Yeah, we use retaining wall. Yeah, let's use this 300 mm concrete. Ito, pero let's use this one. Foundation 300 mm concrete. So it's a strong wall. Everybody in now? Yes, everyone is in. To make it easy for us, let's go to the plan view of basement. Okay? Para mabilis lang. So let's do a window selection. Okay? Then click filter. Then remove doors. Hello. We will not change the time. Same time. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Then we don't need also the, that's okay now. Curtain panels, grids. You need only the walls, curtain wall mullions, grids, and panels. Actually, mullions we don't need, sorry. Uncheck the mullions and uncheck the grids. We need only curtain panels and walls. So you have the 20 and 16. Okay? Click apply. Okay. Then we will remove also this small wall. So we click shift, press shift, and then remove all these walls, the small walls meant to be for the toilet. Okay, so it's just actually the external walls.
Yeah.
Okay, and then ayaw ah. Wait. Let's go back to filter. Let's just remove the curtain panels. We just leave the walls. Nagugulo siya. Click apply and okay. Okay. So now it's easy to modify. Just select the walls and then let's change it to the 300 mm concrete. This is like the retaining wall. Okay. Now it's selected everything. And if you look at the 3D, it will look like this now. So we will have a good foundation at the bottom.
Foundation 300 mm po ito.
Yeah.
Foundation.
I-select mo lang yung wall, sir. Check mo na yung iba. Picture mo, itira mo lang yung wall. Alisin mo yung iba.
Yung curtain panel, sir.
Oo, pati yan. Alisin mo yun. Alisin mo lang. Alisin mo lang. Ito, select mo tapos dito.
Oo.
Tira mo lang walls. Right? Yes. Sana yung mga apartment building mo naman ito. Di ba kita sa? Sana ba? Ipa rin. Sarap hindi trial ito. Sarap hindi na ubus. Ito na rin ang araw na namin. Sila sa medyo. Sarap na din. Sakpan mo. Ito na. Sarap hindi sa ulit. Ito mo na yun lahat. Ito mo na yung ubus. Parang click, delete mo. Okay, so we don't need also one of the walls here, of the doors here. Okay, so we delete this door. Okay, so our building looks something like this now. So the basement we already ungrouped, right? The ground we already ungrouped. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4 typical floors. Okay. For the ground, ideally we need this. We'll have like a step floor. Now let's do a slab at level 1. Okay, let's go to level 1. We'll just create like a floor outside here. So we will draw. Where is our drawing? And we'll draw a floor. Make it architectural, but we will choose in situ concrete. Okay. Click in situ concrete. Okay. And-
2 to 5
Yeah. Yeah. Then let's just draw a big rectangle. Okay, big rectangle outside the property.
Ang concrete, sir?
In situ concrete 225.
4 to 5.
225. Okay. And then let's just make one big rectangle outside of the building. Something like this. Okay. Draw something like this. Okay. And then let's use our line, this line. Trace the edge of your building. Go around your building. Just like that. Doesn't have to be super perfect. Don't worry. Just do this. Go around. Okay, like this. Just go continuously so there is no gap in your line. And then click check.
Roll line, sir.
Yeah. Then say don't attach. Okay. So eventually you will have something like this. And then we will lower this floor. Okay. Now this floor is in level 1. But we will put the height offset of minus 900. Okay.
Sir, first create the
It will
floor.
now go down. Okay.
Sir, first create the floor.
Create the floor, the big rectangle, and then trace the outer line of your building.
Just follow the line, sir.
Yeah, just follow the line. You will eventually have. So you draw first the big rectangle, and
What
then
from the road, sir?
draw the
The floor,
and draw the line of your building.
Paano, sir?
So you have this will be cut automatically. Use your line tool.
Paano, sir?
Create floor boundary rectangle mo. Sugar na lang. Ang mga ikot. Ilang kumansat yung lipat mo lang sir. Gano'n ka ba?
this floor and going in boundary like this.
Yan, gusto. Yes, sir.
Do not attach, sir, no?
Do not attach. And then select the floor. Once you selected the floor, skip them. Minus 900. Minus 900 for the floor.
Okay, ako, sir.
Yan, sarado na ba? Check mo sir. Lagyan natin ng minus 900. Para ba? Yan. Yan naman pinaka. Okay. Ano yung baba? Ano yung baba din?
Minus 900. Sa base scale. Ay, this. Minus 900. Scale value.
Yeah, but good, huh?
This why you are classing this? How we are.
Because we did not change this.
Field value.
Yeah, that one. So now fine.
Okay, so at least we have the.
Maybe one.
Yes, sir. Pwede na mo eh.
Okay.
Okay, so let's you already know how to do the railing, right? Railing is easy, right? Railing. So let's go to level 2. Level 2. Level 2. This is a review for those of you who are here now for the last 2 weeks. Let's go to railing. Oh, watch it, guys. Those who cannot follow, make sure you follow. Click sketchpad. Level 2. Sketchpad. So I will teach you an easy way to do this. Sketchpad. Now, instead of clicking the line, click this green line. It's a pick line tool. Okay. And then put an offset here. Put 50. The green line, pick line, and then make sure you put an offset of 50. Then you select this line. Make sure that the outside, that the line goes inside. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Then adjust this line. Oh, sorry, undo. This line should move up to here only, right? Because that is the railing. And let's move this up to here only. Okay. Then we click check. Okay. See the view? Right there. Okay. 50 only. Then I will select this and I will replace this with a glass one. Okay. Then what I will do next, copy it to clipboard, paste, align to selected level from level 3, 4, and 5. Correct? 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Recopy. Hmm? Pwede na gamitin. Big lines. Kasi kung na big lines pa, kukunin na niya yung mga tapos, hindi mo na offset para walang big. Tapos kung pinalik mo ito, pasok yun. Ito na rin pumapasok.
3.5 lang, sir. Ano? Ano, sir? Nandito ko na. Dito na.
Ano siya yung
Wala na yun.
Mas mababa yata yung programa sa akin, ah.
Ayun lang yan.
Isa, bilis mo lang. Bakit? Kasi hindi group ko ba?
Ba't di ba ka? Wala na kami sa
Sobra na isang programa sa akin, ah.
What happened? Hindi lang, sobra ng floor yun sa'yo eh.
Ah,
ano yan pa?
Ikaw ba yung sukat mo yun?
sobra na isang floor.
Eh, yun yung isa-isa, ito sa akin na group.
wala na sir.
Ano nangyari na?
Hindi na.
Ha? Ito yan. Gusto ko. Ba't ito hindi may router, no? Eh, yung narinig pong building. Oh, pag ganun lalabas eh. Na-adjust na ito. Hindi mo rin natin. Sa akin, inaayos ko ito. Kaya kabanda yung parehong dito. Ayan, ready na. Hindi natin. Please. So what's next? So this is a new tool, new tool that we'll be using. We will be cutting the floors. Okay, we will be cutting what we call as a shaft. Okay, a shaft that cuts from the basement level up to the roof level. This time we don't have roof yet, so we lift it up to the uppermost floor. So what we will do now, let us go to our basement level. Okay. So what we'll do on the left hand side, we'll put our staircase, and here we will put our elevator. Okay. So let's do our hole or opening for our staircase first. Let's click. We can just actually click here. We click vertical opening. Okay. Okay, guys. Click vertical opening. You're just in basement level. Click vertical opening. Oh, watch it. Watch this one. Vertical opening. Then select the floor. Okay. Then you will create a rectangle. Rectangle from here up to, let's say, here. Up to this line. Okay. And then you click check. Okay. Then next time, we'll select our vertical opening now. This is the vertical opening. Select the vertical opening, floor opening. Wait. I need a 3D view, section view. Let's get a section view from here. Flip it, and let's go to that. Okay, we are supposed to be here in the basement. Where is the opening? This is the opening, okay? Click that floor opening. Tayo. Yeah. Wait. I will delete this now. I deleted it, sorry. Let's go back to level basement. We will create a shaft, not a vertical opening, okay? Because a vertical opening is just a circle one. Yeah. Click shaft, okay? Click shaft. And now we'll create a rectangle here. From here, going to here. Okay? Leave a gap at the edge, okay? Just something like this. Okay? And then change the base constraint to basement, but base offset, give it 300. And then top constraint will bring it to level 5. And then give a top offset of 300 also. Okay? Is everyone having the same setting now? Same setting, basement 300, up to level 5, and then top offset 300. Then you have this rectangle right there. Everybody have the same?
Basement option, sir.
Yeah. Then I will click check now, okay? I click check.
300, okay.
Yeah, and then now I will go to my 3D view. Actually, now you can see that there is a hole in my building right there now. Okay? Yeah, if I go put my view to wireframe, you will see that there is a hole now. There is a hole in my building.
Base offset, top offset.
Start with basement. Yeah,
Base.
Fire.
Check.
Tapos yung nakalagay na unconnected during nakatapos. Kasi ang bulas na.
Nakatapos. Bukas na. Paano mo raw kung kailangan sa mga work?
Kaya na, bulas na yan. Kaya na.
Hindi niya. Nawala kasi yung
Ayaw wala mo sa loob.
Pinilit ko yun.
Okay, so now we have a hole. I think we still have time to put some stairs there. But before we put the stairs, as I said earlier, we will now be ungrouping everything. Okay? So where are we now? Here, and this, and this. Okay? The top 3 floors, correct? Top 4 floors from the 2 to 5, ungroup it. Okay? So now these are all separated walls. Okay? And now let's go to basement level. We will start our staircase. Yeah, basement level. So now we will not be using the typical staircase, no? We will be creating a real staircase with landing. Okay, so I need you to follow closely. Follow closely first. We will repeat it for you, don't worry. Watch first, watch. Don't click your computer yet. Watch. Click stair. We replace it. We will use the monolithic stair. That's the concrete stair. Okay, make sure that the base level is at basement. Base offset is 0. Top level is level 1. Okay, no top offset. This time, let's set the width. Let's make the width 1,200. Okay, then run is center. Keep it that way. Offset is 0. That's okay now. And make sure the automatic landing is checked. So this time, what I will be doing is I will start from this line. Make sure that it is at least 700 from the edge. Okay. And then I will click now. I will click up to, let's say, 6 writers, up to 7 risers. Okay. Then I will go here. Make sure that I am aligned with the edge. Okay. Don't keep clicking. Watch what I'm doing. Click here and then go to the right. Okay. Another, how much is that? 6 risers. Stop. And then again, align your mouse with the staircase. Click and then keep clicking and stop. It will finish until it reaches the top floor, and then click check. This is not easy. Okay, and then you click check when it's finished. So that is already your staircase. If you look at the 3D view now, if we open the side, we go to our section box. There is the staircase. Okay, we have the staircase now. We'll adjust a little bit more. Did we create a landing? Parang walang landing. Do we have landing? We don't have landing. Something is wrong. Okay, we will undo. Okay, we will undo. Go back to basement. Select it and delete it. Okay, we'll do it again. I think the size is too big. So we'll do it again. Staircase. I think better if we just do a U-shaped stair. No? U-shaped stair na lang. Okay. Click stair. Click stair again. Let's just make this one 900. Okay, 900. Okay. Then we start from this side. Somewhere here. Okay. Then stop at we need 14 remaining. Mahirap pala. Wait, again. I think. Oh, mahira yung ano eh. Let's start from here. We will just adjust our opening later on. From here, and we go like that. How many do we have? Okay, stop here and then put your mouse here and then go back. Yeah, it will now be creating a U-shape stair. We have a landing now. And then click check. You have now a staircase. We can adjust our opening, edit the sketch, and just move it close to the staircase. Because we don't really need that to be like that. Okay. Okay, click check. Then our staircase, we can also move it a little bit down. Okay. Saan yung opening natin? That is our opening. There's the opening. Edit the sketch. The opening is small. It should be big enough up to here. Yeah. Okay. So it should be up to here. Okay. Click check. So this staircase will need some practice. Okay. So that will be your homework. Huh? Pinili ko yung dulo, sir. Hindi, wag ito. Ultimate yan. Wag yan. Yan tayo sa mga wala. Kayo mga kakalahat. Tapos, Ano na? Sana. Game. Gusto dia. Hari ini rumus kami. Dengan sana.
For example, this method follows difficult one level. For example, one level here, 5 meter, okay? Then I need all even tire, doors, everything fixed, okay? After that, next we can adjustment for some adjustment. For example, I need one floor 3.5, I need 4.5. No. I mean
The height.
so that is updated. It is automatically always updated. How we
No, that means that is your design. For example, your ground meters is 4 meters. Then from first up to second, and the typical, you will have 3 meters. You have to set it before you start.
After fixing everything.
We are doing it like this because when I create the multiple stories there, this is later on. Ayos na there. Hindi na umuwi, no? So, we will not finish the project yet. So, because there's the client stop paying. Because the consultant is not performing well. So what do we do now? Your homework, okay? We will assume that the ground floor will be like, let's say, lobby and or most of this will be the lobby area, okay? And then this will have probably a supermarket or a store. And then on the typical floors, we will have partition, okay? Office partitions. So you can divide the office into two or three offices. So you can create partition wall there. You can use the gypsum wall. For example, in level 2 here, this will be like a typical office. And you can use the wall. We have the gypsum wall floor, gypsum wall material, which is the interior 79 mm or 135. It's up to you. 79. Then you can create your partition here. Okay. And then you can put the necessary partitions for offices if you want, or if you want it to be an open office, that's fine. And then just put your doors accordingly. That is your homework. Okay. In each floor. If you want different layout on each floor, it's up to you. But use the gypsum wall and make sure that your staircase is fine. Do not create additional staircase yet. We will do that next week. Okay. We will use what we call as multi-story stair. Okay. You will gypsum. We have a 79 mm partition wall. Yeah, this one, this floor. This is a good one for
But basement are they all typical for
basement, nothing. That will be parking. Okay.
Okay.
There will be columns there later.
Starting point, the level first to going.
Yeah, level first, just one wall maybe, so that you can have a place for your supermarket, and then the lobby, and then upper floors you can divide it into 2 or 3 for the offices. Okay, battery is running low, so that means we are closing the shop now. Okay.
The partition, sir, yung 79?
Yeah, 79. So we'll say now goodbye to Ate Fem. Good night, Ate Fem. See you next week. Just message me if you need any help as well.